Hello, that's one living in city or living in the two. Hello, my name is Juan Felipe. I am from Colombia and lived in an appointment living in city with usually be village that lived in the two or ruling are in city dwelled with many people and more place to visit like a school and restaurant. However, any are in the citizen often going to the work than in the customers. I went living into with bit gear the link in city, but it's also going to the smart grid from me. Living in the rural are with bit more peaceful because there with bit more natural and fire car. I definitely perfect to like into.